What's up everybody, how you doing today? We have a special unboxing today. I'm very excited to get this going, and I've been waiting for this for a couple of months right now since I supported GPD uh, through the website, and hopefully I was so I just there, it came in a box, okay, and everything was set tight except this guy over here. There is no seal on it, so it's just open, and I was afraid that the package might be damaged, but everything is okay. That's okay, guys. So let's just unbox and see what we have. Before I do the unboxing, this is a docking station that comes with it. It's a promotion that comes with it. If you buy it, you buy it together with the dock station. Of course, through support with Indiegogo, you get to get this. It was a limited edition, so there are like small number of one of these promotions. So I just got it, and since we're in the Middle East, they are kindly to provide this plug-in. So shout out to them. That's cool, man. Thank you guys. Great job. So let's get into the unboxing, guys. Excuse me. So the docking station here. I think I need to do a single, a separate, unboxing for this guy. So just put it right here, and let's just see the main thing over here. Let's just open up. So it's, as you can see, opening is so easy. It's not hard. Easy to open. It's not like the smartphone. It takes time to get out. This is really quick. Let's put it here, and look at this: quality, innovation, extreme, and service. Hong Kong. Shout out to Hong Kong. I went to Hong Kong like 1.5 years ago, maybe no, actually 2 years ago. I went to Hong Kong, beautiful country. So yeah. So the good thing is that when you open the box, look at this guy. Wow. There is a pad here, and this pad help to support the screen when it's locked like this. So small details that is actually very intelligent and very useful. So yeah, great job, guys. And they put the pad here, so sometimes if it shakes, if it goes up and down, it makes sure that it's actually this area, cotton area over here, is going to support this screen here for not scratching it. I hope they actually included a screen protector. I really hope. So we have yeah, what is it? I think this is the screen protector, guys. Woo! Thank you. Thank you very much. I was worried about the screen to get scratched, but since GPD provided the screen protector, I would say thank you very much. Shout out to you guys. I love you so much. Now, let's get into this maybe right here before we open it, and how to take this out. Alright, a second. I think we need to take out this first. Yep. Oh. Okay. So let's remove this guy. I don't want to damage anything. I don't want to do anything, guys. I don't even want to touch it. So this is the black version. This is the matte black. Here, as you can see. Whoa. This. Whoa. I'm just feeling it first time, guys, so I'm just taking my time. Let's remove the stickers here. Whoa, look at this. The screen is nice, no problem at all. L1, L2 is very clickable. The R2, L2, R2 are in a good position. I'm just checking out the quality of the up and down. Yeah, it's good, guys. So people say that you need to have a support in your hand in the left and right. In my situation, I don't have a big hand, so I'm okay with this. So I can deal with it. So this is great also if you want to play racing games or shooting games. It'll be looking nice, really good. Wow, I'm very excited. We have USB Type-C on the back. Beautiful 2 speakers from Germany, high quality. I looked it up actually, so look at the bottom here. Let me just quickly tap in. So here we have the power, we have volume up and down, we have the vents, headphones, microphone, and USB 3.0. And here we have the vents, guys. So this is where it goes out. these are configurable touch, so you can actually clickable. Okay, that's a good thing. So I shouldn't touch the screen. That's okay. So let me just see if I can click it. It's possible to be clickable, but in case, let me just show you how. So this area is clickable, guys, but you need to lay your hand in a situation where you can just hit it. So it's very, very interesting situation. And we have also SD card here, can apply it. This is the lock. This is the lock, guys. This is where you wanna use the mouse or the controlling, touch the screen, or using the analog to move around the screen. Double check. This is a good guy. This is high quality, by the way. Okay, all right. So let's just calm down. Now what do we have here? Screen protector accessories. Oh, there's accessories for the screen protector too. Cool. What is this? I don't know where to put this, guys. So let me just put it somewhere. Let me put it somewhere. Just give me a second, okay? Alright, we are almost there. Okay. And oh, there's another door. Oh, this is where it is actually lifted up. So here we have I think these are documents, right? Yeah, these are documents, so I don't want to waste your time reading these documents. So how can we access the chargers? Oh yeah, there we go. A small area over here. I wish that they would add this lift over here on the top, so it'd be easier to access it, because it's really hard. Let me see. I think I need to flip it up. I believe this will be the charger. Okay, finally. This will be the charger, everybody. And the charger is actually a 65 watts USB Type-C. If I'm not mistaken, it's supposed to be 65 watts USB Type-C. Sorry, I broke it. I think I cannot return it right now if it's something happened. Just broke it. Whoa, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this boy over here. Check this out, guys. 20 volts, 3.5. 20 volts, 3.25 amps. I think that means 65 watts. I believe it doesn't say 65, but it's made in China, and it's a Chinese company, so I believe it's gonna be fast and safe. PD fast charging power. Yep. So we're gonna test the fast charging later on with the plug. I have a plug that can show you the speed as well. So now this is the cable. The cable's not here. It's not inside. Nope. The cable is on this side. Why are you putting these tables on the other side? Come on. Yep, it's on the other side. Step look, fast look. And there you go. USB Type-C, everybody. Yeah, baby. USB-C to C. Alright, this is the unboxing for the GPD Win 3. Thank you guys for watching. Take care, everybody, and see you in another video.